Why do I panic?
Is there a reason to panic?
Me, I know. What is it? Me, I know. Bukede is stressing. Ekiri mu kibuga. Abakambwe bayise mu kibuga. Ugandans can only resort to violence in the 3 cases only. If there is a foreign hand. Ngamu nkaga mwebiri, nkaga munkaga, Britain wanted by all means to defeat Benny Chiwanuka. Then you can have 2 state-inspired violence. This is why during the UPC government, the people who were committing atrocities were UPCs with party activists and supporters. Why? They did it with impunity. Bali bamanyite bagenda backward. In 1962 to 66, abakabaka ikabatemanga ebitoke nga balayira kabaka. They knew impunity. Kakati Museveni bwe yajja mu buyinza, the first message to be sent to the population, do you know that Zizinga was arrested?
When was that?
Zizinga was arrested because his guards beat up a thief. Zizinga was arraigned before court and she was acquitted. At that time, we have 4 prominent women. Hajati Mukwaya, Captain Njuba, Narweso, and Zizinga. Zizinga had lost 9 children during the Bush War. So, kakati, what had happened? Okuva kwolu, muchimanyi, nti amakomera ga Uganda gajjudde abeerosi. The Euroseas cannot commit offences without anti babasiba babba ebibanja ne bakola ki. Museveni sent a warning. Kakati in absence neyo riot eweddeeyo. They were given Ugandans to go on a riot. They must be given money. 2, the good thing. We are engaged.
If you're saying Ugandans to go into
tebasobola kwetta ekyokubiri fe tuli mu private sector.
Uganda Ugandans to go for a riot. They must be
facilitated.
Are there no reasons enough for them to go?
Ugandan cannot go on a strike on his own. I'm telling you. Ne bw'obalaba basimbye ebitooke mu luguudo, wabeerawo kampuni ekola enguudo ng'ekolaganye n'aba district basimbemu enguudo. I'm telling you, Ugandans don't riot. Why?
Uganda
tebasobola. Ani nkubuulira, the safeguard is Ugandans 90% we are involved in the private sector. Do you believe nti omusajja atwala ennyama ye enteeze azireete mu Lufula e Kampala ayagala riot, ayagala abawuka ebipiira mu kkubo? Omusajja aleeta amatooke ge ng'agaleeta Kampala akola mu wino. Abasajja abantu ba Uganda wano Kasiita yatwala abasuubuzi ne beediima. At one time Uhuru Kenyatta visited Uganda for 3 days, but who is making noise there?
I shouldn't be there, we shall find out.
No, I found the soldiers there.
Anyway, tukyagenda maaso ne STV Embuga
ekigenda obbaleetera ebizibu.
Tugenda kubanga tujja
bwe munabba akalulu mu byalo, waliwo abanyankole gwe beetegekedde bamuleete nga talinnya. Bwe munaate mubbye kalulu nti abantu ba Uganda baagala okwekalakaasa, baagala okuba endongo yaabwe, tewali agenda kutawanya kibuga wano.
For now, katusoke tugende mukumulamu katono nnyo. Tugenda kukomawo ne one of your problems mwaweereza naye ng'okusookera ddala tugenda kwogera ku.
But I want to find out who is making noise there.
Mzee tewali akola noise.
Watching STV, select for fun.
Get ready to vote.
Dear Ugandans, let me take you through what you need to ensure that your ballot paper is properly marked. On arrival at the polling station on polling day, wash your hands, wear your face masks, and observe social distance to limit the spread of COVID-19. Ensure that your hands are dry before you receive a ballot paper from the polling official. Mark your candidate using the authorized mark of choice. Use either a tick or a thumbprint. Place the authorized mark of your choice in the corresponding space for your candidate using a pen or a stamp pad provided by the Electoral Commission. Ensure that your tick or thumbprint does not cross to the other candidate's space. If that happens, the vote is invalid and therefore will not be counted for your candidate. Do not use any other mark other than the tick or the thumbprint to vote for your candidate. If you do so, your vote will be invalid. This message is from the Electoral Commission.
Hey guys, you're watching STV Select for Fun.
Nkwaniriza gwe yakatiro gatako ku STV Embuga amanya nze Simon Chris Makanga era nga nkyaliwo obuterevu ne mukwano gwammwe Joseph Tamale Mirundi mutabani wa Mole n'amatovu ne Mirundi Owana. STV Embuga tugenda ddala mu maaso era nga enamba ogiraba ku TV yo osobola tuweerezaako WhatsApp oba text message ku kizibu kyonna kyoyagala omukuku na Joseph Tamale Mirundi abeeko kyayogerako naye nga nyongera obajjukiza nti tulina okuuma emirembe mu nnaku zino ezibulayo okubanga Uganda esalawo kwani anaabeera omukulembeze wayo. Bwe tweyongerayo waliwo ekibiina
nalabye omuserikale ng'agamba tujjako kuba emigo weegane n'ennyo waliwo ku byani. That's not eryo lyagala kusiba. That's message of intimidating the people. This isn't the message. Mitigate. You say, why should people riot? Address the issues that will force people riot. We are not organizing elections for the first time. Why do you believe that this time we shall have elections?
Captain Mike Mukula, ononga chairman wa National Resistance Movement mu Eastern Region, atula ku kitebe kya Central Executive Committee. Aina ba Arrow Boys group yo gyakozesa nnyo mu biseera bya 2003 ne 2005 we bali balwanyisa koni mu bitundu by'ebugwanjuba wamu ne mu mambuka ga Uganda. Abantu nonno bamala ekiseera ne bakola emirimu gyabwe ne giggwawo. Njogera kuba Arrow Boys. So we twogerera omukulu ono Mike Mukula yaba meetings eno zabadde lwakusatu bali wakuna n'aba wa task y'okunoonya akalulu k'omukulembeze w'eggwanga mu bitundu byeyo era nga bakanoonya door to door. So banono bavuddeyo nga beemulugunya. Omu ku bo eyabadde mu meeting eyo yavuddeyo n'agamba nti owaayo lwaki mukama waabwe abanoonya mu kaseera nga kakalulu oba lwaki abanoonya nga abeetaaga. Ate nno mu biseera bya mwaka gwa 2006 President Museveni yali abasuubiza abo bonna abaali bafiirwa abantu baabwe oba abafiira mu lutalo yali asaze okuba compensatinga nente amabaati 25 nente 5 buli muntu. Ne bwe twogera nabo bavudde na bikomplainia nga bagamba nti why president yebwa asuubiza tatuukiriza bibasuubizibwa nga tebabifunanga. Awo njagala tutandikire Muzeita Amali.
You see, for me,
ba Arrow Boys obamanyi bulungi.
For me issue emu nti mu ddiini mu bukatoliki bakugamba nti agaana abantu bano amanye ekibagana okufumbirigano
aveeyo
kati oba asirikire eddala. How come that those Arrow Boys have not been paid for all of this time? 2, under which agreement did they join the battle? That's what I always ask. Are you volunteers? Are you mercenaries? What were the conditions under which? Gundi, the Minister of Security, J.J. Odongo, where does he come from?
He comes from
Lieutenant General Ngina, where does he come from?
I don't know.
The man in charge of relief, the minister, where does he come from?
Java.
What about this woman, Gundi? See among there is another one who went through an opposite.
Anita?
Yes. Where does she come from?
The same region.
Why did they fail, all of these prominent people, to address this issue, to pass it up today?
Amabaati 20 nente 5.
Ebyo nze sibibeeramu. Ayina omukula, ayina how Mukula operates, people. Museveni has been looking for his votes with his 2 daughters. People fear how relevant can we be. Others akaluka basazi banoonya ssente. But let me tell you, Mukula. In 1985, when Obote was about to go, Obote was Minister of Finance, and Okero's soldiers had arrived at Bombo. Obote disparately went to Luzira, met the soldiers who were in prison, told them, I'm the Minister of Finance. Muveyo munwanire nja basasula. Everybody who was released left. You have posed a very good question. Do you remember us today? Kakati abo bamukula bye bakola. Banoonya ssente, but it's a sign of desperation. The message they are sending to the people is wrong. Nti we desperate. Kina babuuza.
Is he using these voice or not?
Mukola akakiiko mbuka media kaliko tamale mirundi. Did you consider me in the last 5 years? I've been financing and facilitating my TV and radio programs. Did I have a budget from anybody? Ze mubadde mujjako. A drunkard ate omuyita kati mukole mwenna. Then you were more drunkard.
Naye abeera mutamiivu. Abantu
abo tebalina bwongo mu mutwe. They don't understand human behavior. Nti the Baganda have a very good proverb. Babikulya balungi mirimo.
Babikulya balungi mirimo.
Are we good at working, but when the meal comes, then we are bad people?
You're not welcome to the dinner
aba basajja
table.
bayita basirwabo. Kakati Mukula ayagala kwetega yagamba mbu Mukula aguze TV simanyi bayitani y'abalokole. Ng'era anoonya ebirango bigende koliko di TV.
Nawulidde mbu ddiini yagaanye.
Nedda.
Bamaze ne baawukana.
Yali anoonya ssente na buno obuvubuka mbu Museveni abawe ssente. Mukula is disparate. I'm telling you, Mukula is a disparate man.
And when you are NRM for some time,
when you are disparate,
and I want to ask you this question.
You make a lot of
mistakes.
Is there
anyone who is passionate about NRM?
I doubt. Nyinza kujjamu balumumba abo. Lumumba akubiddwa n'akola ki? Kati oyo Mukula azannya political gundi, masturbation. And you never did. And you end up destroying everything.
Are they patriotic or patronage?
Is it a big deal for Mukula to buy a TV station? Naye baali bamanyi mbwe ssente zigenda kuyita ku birango. Ku TV.
Jaguze.
Yeteekeyo. Mukula akkiriza kana akalulu kakusase. Era I've read it in your newspapers. Museveni's absence in constituencies where affected NRM. Is the president supposed to be an askari in their constituencies? Why do you drag Museveni? You drag Museveni that because Museveni has not been in the constituencies, Museveni, MPs, Museveni are babysitting. MPs wheelbarrows that must be pushed by Museveni. Zimpapula zammwe ez'abagwagwa nti bw'awandiika pages 2 Museveni is absence. No, these people kakati timiteri nakibabuuza naye amawulire gafudde nnyo Bobi Wine ajjanga kati Aga Khan alina okuba holinga monitor gonna mafu monitor ate yarotinze ng'omulambo gwennyini nti kakati kankubuuza, did you sign an agreement that when the MP fails, Museveni takes responsibility? Is there an agreement?
The party takes
Can we stand a party takes responsibility? Why didn't you? If the party takes responsibility, the party has the structure, has the secretariat, has low down layers. Did you in your, if it was that Museveni must work, must force these people to work, yes, did you raise this issue? Museveni is a mobile president. He moves everywhere. That's why his expenditure, state house expenditure, is high. Who raised these issues in Museveni's tours that your MP is not working?
Now,
no, musajja alina degree. nga naye atudde ku kompyuta akuba obusiru bwonna obusiru bwe muva mu mutwe obusiru bwe n'agamba noga eno ngiwandiise y'amagezi nnyo ayipiteyo ayipite these monitor
people. President Museveni ne office ng'agamba nti one of the offices mu Uganda ez'okubamu your office ya president naye babafunye missed call make sure nti azaayo
kakati ekimiteeriyo
anyway katongerewo ne STV embuga
yefu Museveni
naye ensonga eyo yaba
performance yefu Museveni's performance is linked to the MPs. Let us say where Museveni has commissioned a hospital in a district, then the NRM
what is the way forward ku nsonga y'aba Arrow Boys?
No, don't drag me in those Arrow Boys. The question of Arrow Boys, what about the Second World War veterans? The Second World War where my father was also included. What did the Europeans do? No. Are you a soldier or a volunteer? Kakati, under which arrangement? Nabana abalwana mu Luweero babaleetera etteeka teyalwana mu Luweero n'atuuka e Kampala is registered as a soldier. If he does not want to remain in the army, because when Irakwena invaded those areas of Akoni, the younger people mobilized. Mukula yajjanga ne pistol what najja nayo kugonda najja ne yereega najja n'akola atya. Kakati Mukula, you have a responsibility. You were a minister. You were vice chairman of NRM in your area. If you failed to use your influence to help these Arrow Boys, why don't you write like an empty envelope? These were younger people, the Arrow Boys, can come in on their own. But if you say that you are mobilizing ex-servicemen to come and look for votes, when they were mobilized to kill an enemy, are you saying that the NRM in your area is vice chairman? You so disparate.
naye
muyine emitwe singa bamukula abo tebaasoma baali badde bawumba mmindi yo people muyine emitwe people some abusive at all. Disparation. You don't need to be disparate.
katono nnyo. I want to borrow into your experience nga g'omuntu aluddewo wano n'abazaagobera ensonga especially mukaluka n'akagenda okuddako. What is your observation?